Good day, ma'am. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. I'm Luz Biminda Esteban, 35 years old, single, associate graduate. I had an experience here in the Philippines, 2 years and 1 month as a domestic helper, finished contract. I extend 1 month because they are finding my replacement.
Tell me about your responsibilities in your previous job.
My duties and responsibilities is taking care of newborn baby, washing clothes, ironing, taking care of dogs, and other household works.
Can you tell us how will you take care of the children, a baby, and elderly?
I will take care of them by cooking food for them and feeding them. Make sure that they are healthy and clean.
Please tell us some of your skills.
Madam and sir, I can cook Filipino food and I'm willing to learn more when it comes to cooking.
What are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
Madam, sir, it is necessary to be a hardworking person, honest, fast learner, God-fearing, multitasking.
Anything else you want to tell for a future employer? Can you tell them now?
Madam and sir, I will promise to finish my 2 years contract. Thank you and God bless.